Basic algebraic expressions involve simple arithmetic operations with numbers and variables. Here's an example, 3x plus 7. In this expression, x is a variable. 3x represents 3 times the value of x. 7 is a constant term. You can substitute specific values for x to evaluate the expression. For instance, if x equal 2, then 3x plus 7 equal 3 times 2 plus 7 equals 6 plus 7 equal 13. So when x is equal to, the value of the expression is 13. Today's maths challenge. Solve the following expression and put your answer in the comments below. 7x minus 3, where x equal is minus 5. Join me in exploring the exciting world of math challenges by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your mathematical skills and engage in fun problem-solving activities.